Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Inflow Inventory to manage and track your inventory. So let's get started. First of all, you can create your free trial from here, or you can just log in your account if you already have an existing account. And now let's go with Google. And then I will pick my account from here. And this is how your inflow inventory will look like. So basically here you have three main components, which are purchasing, inventory, and sales. You can also find them on the left menu from here, sales, purchasing, inventory. So in this tutorial, we are going to use the three of them. However, we are going to use them from bottom to top. So basically I will start with inventory, and I will start with creating a new product. Here you need to give your product a name. So let's say I am interested in selling shoes. So I'm going to name it as shoes, and I'm going to create now. Must be unique. So I have to add something which will make it unique, like sneakers. I guess it will refuse as well. No, it accepted. Great. Now you need to add some details to your own product. So first of all, you need to add an image, for example. So I'm going to head to my device and upload an image. It's currently uploading. Now here it is. So basically you can also rename your own product. You can add an SKU, or you can just leave the one which is automatically generated to your own item. You can add a description. You can also categorize your product. So since here it categorized it into field service and construction, which doesn't make sense, I will go to manage categories from here, and I'm going to add main category. Then I'm going to scroll down, and I will name this category as fashion. And I'm going to save. And now I will go to add it to the new category, which is fashion. And I can also add some measurements, add brand, country of origin, color, and more. I will just leave all this information. You can fill it the way you want. Here you can also mention the pricing and cost. I will leave these details. I will just insert a final cost, which will be $50. Here you can also see the quantity on hand. You have 0 quantity, so you can order quantity from your own inventory, from your own suppliers. This is done by going to your reorder settings. You can get edit reorder, and you can choose the vendors that you can deal with. So for example, you can deal with Toronto branch just by activating this, and you can also choose the sublocation that you will use in your inventory for this item. Here I will choose purchase order, and I will choose the vendor as any one of these. Let's just choose this first one, and I will put the reorder point as 5, and I will press on done. Now I can head back to the quantity at hand. I can go to more locations, Toronto branch, and I can order the number I want. And by this way, I have edited the quantity on hand. You can also edit information related to your manufacturing, product vendors, order history, and movement history. Once you are done, you can go to save, or you can just deactivate it. However, I'm going to press on save. And done, it's saved. Now let's move on to the next stage, in which we will edit our purchasing. I will go to new purchase order and create a purchase order from here. So basically in products here, you are selecting a vendor from which you can buy your own products, and so you can resell them to your own customers. You can also use it to buy just raw materials, then sell your own products. So basically here you can choose from one of these vendors, or you can just go to start with a new vendor and create his name. However, I'm just gonna go with one of the existing vendors. I'm going to purchasing, and I'm going to create a new purchase order. from one of these guys, and I will choose this first one, which is Christy Luther. Here you can see the details or the information of your own vendor. And here you can choose the product that you want to order. So basically here I can choose my sneakers. And I'm gonna choose 5. Now here you can see the total cost, including the tax. You can also see custom info. So basically now I will save this. You can also see receive, return, and on stock. You can also see other items that you have created. You have started items in which you received some of them and not all, and you have unfulfilled items in which you did not start receiving any yet. Now we can also go to sales and create new sales order. This is basically the same idea as creating new purchase order. However, in this case, you are selling to your customer instead of buying from your own vendor. So you can do the same. You can choose one of the preset customers, or you can start with new customer. So now I am gonna choose maybe Beth May. And you will also see the same. You will see here the details of your customer. And you can, here you can also see the shipping address. You can here select the product that you're gonna sell. So I am gonna also choose sneakers. And I'm gonna sell the 5 quantities that I have asked from my vendor. Now you are the one who can place this cost. Since we already had our buying budget about like $260, so we need to put a cost or a payment that will exceed this so that we can make a profit margin. So here I will use the unit price as, for example, 60, and so I have here profit margin of about $45 to $50. By saving now, you have saved your order. You can also see here your orders, the ones which are started, so you start selling them, and the ones which has not started yet. After setting all these 3 things, you can go to reports so that you can have an insight or like a summary for your own vendor-customer relationship. So here you can see reports including your sales, stock levels, purchasing, reordering, payment, manufacturing, and audit log. And this is how easy you can use Inflow Inventory. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.